this is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. It is for August 6th, 2019. Let's take a look at markets here, having a nice recovery day. And we're going to be taking a look at Twitter in this video. I'm going to give you my best short-term analysis just for the sake of turning this into an educational video. Alright, so take a look at the daily here. And I want to show you what the daily is showing us. In my opinion, the daily is showing some stability. If you take this recent closing high and draw a line from there, so we get this kind of an perspective. We have a breakout here. Yesterday we tested and actually went below the line, but now we are recovering above it. So we can say net on the surface, it would appear that Twitter is finding much needed support back above that breakout level. Again, this line here. So that's, what one can say. We can also see that if we draw a line connecting RSI lows, something like this, we can see that we are finding support. Right here. So we can say net, the daily looks like it is showing a lot of stability. Now, I want to give you a different view, in my opinion, which is what you can see on the daily. Take a look at the long-term all data weekly. So all data weekly. And I'm going to draw a couple of lines that, in my opinion, are going to be controlling what's going to take place here in the coming weeks and months. First one is a backtest line. And as you can see, this line gives us the previous lows. By the way, you're going to see this on a lot of the charts out there. And we see that we broke below this level. Came close there, we were rejected for those highs. We went above the line, back below it for this high. And this week, we are coiling back below this line here. So that's one view. And there's another view that you can arrive at if you take a look at the uniformity method, which is figure out where it broke down, which is somewhere here previously. In fact, we can even see, I can draw it right there. There's a little bit of a node. I won't go into details about that, but you can find more information by taking a look. There should be some links in the description of the video. And I'm going to extend this line as such. So the red line, as you can see, we've had two occasions now where we've gone above the line and back below it for these highs. And this week we are showing uniform activity above the line and back below it. So what I'm trying to say with this is that even though the daily is showing stability, I think the challenge is that if this continues being the case, then actually this chart is suggesting that over time, the suggestion here is that prices more than likely are going to have a bias to the downside. This is what this chart is telling me from a weekly perspective. Now, the way to fix this is you'd need movement above those two lines if prices are to move to the upside. Another way of putting this is go back to the daily chart, and we can say that until we can see clear and concise evidence by moving above the recent daily closing high, in my opinion, the daily chart is not telling us the truth. So until we see a breakout above 42.85, which is the recent daily closing high here, until we see a breakout above that price, I would speculate that actually the weekly chart is projecting lower prices in the months ahead. Those who might be wishing to time this on the downside, you would need to see the RSI break this line on the daily, and you'd also want to see confirmation that this line, the RSI lows on the 2-hourly chart, is broken. So if and when this is broken, from a timing perspective, that should give you a sell signal based on what the weekly chart is projecting. Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S. Yes. Yeah, okay, I'll call you. Okay.